How to auto invest on trading 212. Now in this very quick video, I'm going to show you how you can execute auto invest on trading 212 application. Of course, the very first thing that you want to have to do is to access the application and make sure that you're logged in into the real money account. Now you're going to have to switch from invest account, from trading account into invest account, like so. And then you should be able to see this profile icon at the lower portion of your screen. Tap that, and then you should see options here such as communities and pies. Now since we are trying to do an automatic trading, we'll have to go onto pies and then choose on almost daily dividends. And from here, you can simply navigate into this invest section from the pie itself and then set a schedule during the pie setup or later in the pie settings. You can simply toggle on auto invest and set your preferred investment frequency and deposit amount. And that's it. That's how you auto invest on trading 212.